Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to move picture with text in Microsoft Publisher. So get ready started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show move picture with text. Now go into the first line insert one option, then click for picture option. Now we find our picture. Now select from picture. Now click for insert option. Now this is our picture. Now you can see move picture and text. Now going to the again insert one option, then click for text box. Now draw a text box. Now type your text. Now you can see move picture and text. Now keyboard press from shift. Now select from text. Now select from picture. Now we move from anywhere. Now you can see move picture with text in publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.